week's big query is from Pedro49 at zoom.com. Pedro asks, what advice we have for families wishing to enjoy bonfire nights safely?
Well, firstly, Pedro, if you've prepared your bonfire in advance, be sure to check it carefully for sleeping creatures, such as a hedgehog or a mouse or a homeless.
Yes, normally a gentle kick or a shrill whistle will do the trick.
Yes.
And don't make the mistake I did and light a Roman candle in the bowl of your pipe to amuse the children.
Like a damp squib.
Yes, and then all over me groin.
Barry and Martin here with some proper advice. Now, some people feel that it's inappropriate on bonfire night to celebrate by setting fire to an effigy of a Catholic with a foreign-looking beard. That's why on November the 5th, we burn people of different faith backgrounds. Some with beards, some of them without. We have another little tradition as well. Each year, bury it in a bag, and then we set fire to it and stick it through Bob and Jim's letterbox. The useless go mental.
Two massive bangers.
The look on your face.
She's a remarkable woman, Jim.
Yes. Good night.
If you have a big query for Bob and Jim to answer, please email it to bigquery@bobandjim.co.uk.